Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little crochet braid update, girl. We're going to talk about these Freetress Summer Deep crochet braids that I have been wearing, and I'm going to talk to you guys about a few products that I recommend to maintain long, curly, wavy, like crochet braids like this. If you guys have not already seen this tutorial, this installation video, be sure you head down to the description box after you're done watching this video and go check it out. I'll be unboxing the hair in that video. You'll be able to see my braiding pattern, exactly how to install the hair to get it to look like this, girl, because it's been like a month at this point. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. But before we do, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below, girl. Join the fam, okay? Join us over here. Give the video a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe to the channel, girl. So let's go ahead and talk about this hairstyle. Okay, you guys, so I have been wearing this hairstyle for about a month, and I haven't really been doing a lot of updates on my crochet braid styles, but this hair is one of my faves. So I wanted to just go ahead and talk about it a little bit. So like I said, it's been about a month since I've had this style in, and you guys can see how the crochet braids are looking. Now, what I will say is that I have not been twisting this hair up at night for just the last few days. Like, I'm really good about twisting my hair up. I do at least 4 twists to this hair every single night and put on my satin scarf. For the last like 3 days or so, I haven't, just because this hair is about to come out of my head. I'm literally about to cut this hair out in just a few days and move on to my next style. But yeah, girl, this crochet braid style is very much giving. So for one, this is Freetress Summer Deep in the color 1B. I believe this hair is like 20 inches, 22 inches, something like that. You guys can see the details in the install tutorial, but this is how it is looking. So I would consider this to be a long, wavy crochet braid style that I would definitely recommend for summer. I would definitely recommend it for water. I personally have not gone swimming in this hair. I have not taken my whole head and submerged it underwater. So I cannot say 100% for sure it's for swimming, but if I was going on vacation and I had to pick a crochet braid style to wear for water activities, for swimming, all that type of stuff, this is the hair that I would pick. And I would pick this hair because it is long and it is silky and it's easy to detangle. So after you've been doing your water activities, you've been swimming all day, all your hair is wet, all you need to do is just take one of these products that I'm about to show you and go ahead and just spray it in your hair. Now, if you guys have been subscribed to the channel, okay, you've been keeping up with the shorts that I've been posting, you've seen these products, because I did post a short, I believe like last week or 2 weeks ago, on how to maintain your crochet braids, and I showed these products. So here are the products right here that we're going to talk about. The first one is going to be this Cantu Shea Butter Coil Calm Detangler for natural curls, coils, and waves. This is what it looks like. It is literally a curl detangler. This product is very thick. It comes out of the spray bottle, yes, but it is on the thicker side. So sometimes I'll take some of it, pour it into this bottle, and add a little bit of water if I just don't want it to be so thick. There's no particular reason. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. If my hair is super tangled, I'm definitely gonna keep it use it straight from this bottle, like in its original formula. If I feel like I just kind of want to put it on, spray it on my hair, almost for more of like a nice scent, I'll put it in this bottle and add a little bit of water just so I can move, you know, like quickly over the hair. This is an old bottle from Cantu. I don't think they make it anymore, but this is super similar. This was called the Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer with shea butter. It's like really similar to this, I would say, but this product is much thicker. My other go-to product, you guys already know if you keep up with my crochet braid videos, is the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. I absolutely love this product. It is literally like a leave-in conditioner. It's great for moisturizing the hair. It smells good. So basically what you guys can do is just part your hair into a few sections, spray this on like heavily, like both of these products, really use them, like spray, 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 okay? And then kind of like glide your fingers through and then go ahead and twist your hair out. I will be sure to link the short in the description box down below as well, so you guys can actually like see me do it and get an idea of how I do my own maintenance routine. So that'll be linked below if you guys want to check that out. But these are the products that I absolutely love. If you wear long silky crochet braids, you need these. And I'm saying long silky because if you're wearing any other type of style, it probably does not require a product. You guys know that I love, I believe it's Freetress Joyful Curl. Love that hair. Doesn't need any products. Like you don't need anything. If you're gonna wear something that's like a more natural texture, a shorter, more like spiral type of curl, you don't normally need products for those. I personally don't normally put products on them. I do want to mention this in case you guys are new to my channel. I do not use mousse. I do not use mousse ever. Never on any of my crochet braid styles. I never use mousse. So you don't ever have to wonder, should you put mousse on top? I personally don't recommend it. You do, you know, what you feel, but I personally do not like to put mousse on my crochet braids. These are the products that I'm using if they're long and silky and wavy. If they're a shorter, more natural curl pattern, chances are I'm using nothing. Now, it's also important to remember to take care of your scalp when you are wearing crochet braids. So these are the 3 oils that I have been using. I have never shared these with you guys before because I've only been using them for the last few months. So this first one that I have is by Shea Moisture. It's their apple cider vinegar anti-dandruff leave-in with salicylic acid. This is a really good anti-dandruff product. So basically it's just a little nozzle that you can just like open and close, and you can literally just like go like this on your scalp. Super easy. So I really like this one. And then I also have 2 products from Design Essentials. One of them is the Anti-Itch and Tension Relief Tea Tree and Aloe with peppermint oil, sunflower seed, sweet almond oil, cottonseed oil, sesame seed oil, and rosemary extract. And this one is the Peppermint and Aloe Therapeutics Soothing Scalp Tonic. This one, the peppermint and aloe specifically says on it to treat protective styles, controls scalp flaking and itching. This one does not say that. This one is cool. I don't really love the scent. This one literally smells like peppermint. Like it smells really, really good. So I prefer the scent of this one more. I'm sure they both work well. I use all of these. I just interchange them. The one I have used the most is the Design Essentials. Right here, this is all that I have left. So I use this one most frequently. I've used about half the bottle of the Shea Moisture, and this one I just got, so I haven't used as much of it, but these are great. These are really great, and I honestly feel like they really work. I feel like not immediately, like as soon as you put it on, you still might be like scratching your scalp, but wait till like the next day. I promise you, your scalp is gonna feel so much better. It's gonna feel like soothed and just not as like itchy and dry. So I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend these. You pick these up, I would say definitely these 2. This one is like in 3rd place only because of the scent, honestly. And all of them are around $10. This one says $10.99, and I know these were a similar price. So not overly expensive. Definitely recommend these. If you guys are not new to my channel, you already know that I love this hair. It was a 10 out of 10 the first time, and that's why I installed it a second time. The first time I wore it in red, so I'll try to remember to link that down below in case you guys want to see in a color. And then this time, of course, it's obviously in a 1B. But I love this hair. I definitely recommend it. You do have to take care of it. It does require maintenance because it is long, wavy, silky hair. If you want it to stay looking good, you definitely do need to twist it up at night. Put on your satin scarf. I do have leave out in the front right here. You can flat iron your leave out. You can do no leave out. Last night, I actually ended up putting double buttercream on it, the As I Am double buttercream. I actually like put that all on my leave out and like brushed it back and then tied my scarf on. And I have not added any heat to my hair today. Now, is it completely seamless? I feel like it looks okay. It looks natural. Like the top of the leave out, I mean, my leave out in the front is definitely like, you know, a tighter curl pattern than this, but I feel like it still works. I feel like it still works. So, you know, it's completely up to you. Leave out, no leave out, whatever, but just make sure you take care of your leave out if you do leave out, okay? Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I really just wanted this to be a quick one, talk a little bit about an update for these crochet braids and show you guys these products in case you're looking for something not only to maintain this hair, but something to also help out with your scalp, because I do not wash my crochet braids. I feel like I get that question quite a bit. Do I wash my crochet braids? I don't. I wear my styles for usually a month. Sometimes I might push it to 5 weeks. I believe 6 weeks is like the max, but normally for me on an average basis, I wear my hair for like a month. So I don't need to wash it while it's in there for a month. Like I don't need to do that. Personally, as a natural girl, like I can wash my hair once a month and be good. Once again, you guys, be sure to check the description box down below for the tutorial to this hair, the review to this hair in red, the short, so you guys can actually see the full maintenance routine. And if you guys are looking for me and I'm not posting a lot of hair videos, girl, I'm on my lifestyle channel, okay? So be sure you head over there, check out my vlogs, check out my fashion content, beauty, all that kind of stuff is over there on my other channel. That will, of course, be linked in the description box below as well, obviously. So I will see you guys in my next video. And baby, the next hairstyle, wait on it. Okay, it's not a crochet. I'm already telling y'all it's not a crochet, but I'm so geeked. I'm so excited for this hairstyle. Like, wish me luck, okay? Wish me luck. I'm keeping my fingers crossed it's gonna turn out bomb. So y'all definitely be sure to subscribe to see that tutorial when I post it real soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.